Your 41 NBC AccuWeather forecast, presented by Volume Chevrolet.
Welcome back. We are seeing a nice but cool night here in Middle Georgia. This looking out right now on the 41 sky view from the Houston County Galleria overlooking Center Park in Centerville. Now, today was a much warmer day than yesterday. Yesterday we didn't make it out of the mid-40s. Today made it back to 59 degrees, which is just where we should be for this time of year. Now, we did start the day out at 29 degrees, so it was definitely a bit of a cool start, and we're going to see another one of those cool starts as we head into tomorrow, because you can see temperatures right now sitting at 36 degrees, 41 in Atlanta, and 41 down in Savannah as well, with 39 over in Montgomery and 60s still in parts of Texas. So much warmer out to our west, but we're really kind of watching to our northwest for that next big push of some cold air that's going to get here on Thursday, along with some rainfall. But for tonight, partly cloudy skies with some increasing clouds heading into the early morning hours. Temperatures dropping to around 32 degrees by 5 a.m. I think most of us could be around 31 or 30 as we're heading into early tomorrow morning. Through the rest of the day, though, it's going to be a quick warm-up. Back to 56 degrees by around noon, 62 degrees by around 3 p.m. with just those partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies throughout the day. You can already see some of that cloud cover just out to our west. I don't know how much rain's actually going to make its way into parts of Georgia. It's mostly falling apart at this point. So we're expecting to stay dry as we head into tomorrow morning. But this is all ahead of that next big setup that we're going to see as we move into Thursday. So for tomorrow, once again, enjoy the nice day. Enjoy the temperatures in the 60s, because it's going to be a while before we see those again. And this cold front, though, that we've been tracking, that's going to start to move into Georgia early morning on Thursday. We'll see it probably sometime around daybreak. So this is by around 4 a.m. You can see that getting into parts of Middle Georgia and then really into Macon by around 6:30 or so. Once this rain moves out by Thursday afternoon, we're going to see that replaced with a big cold air mass. And this is going to stick with us for the rest of the week. It's also going to be the impetus for our next potential winter weather system, because what we're expecting with this next system is that cold air is going to hang out with us, and then there's going to be a surge of moisture and warm air that's going to come in from the Gulf of Mexico. The cold air is so dense that it's going to force that warm air up, and at that point we're going to start to see those clouds forming over it. So we're going to be stuck in the clouds for a while for Thursday and Friday, potentially Saturday as well. The bigger impact, though, is that with that cold air underneath the warm air, we're going to see the potential for freezing rain, sleet, maybe some snow, but it's mostly going to be that freezing rain that we're concerned about. So here is a look at our European model. This one's kind of our best case scenario at this point, that it would just kind of bring all of this in for a portion of Friday afternoon, maybe a little bit of a wintry mix in there, and then push that whole system out by Saturday. So we'd start to clear out for much of the weekend. It will be cool this weekend regardless. But our other model, the American GFS model right now, is showing a different story. So this keeps the rain in here Friday, but then it's going to bring in that changeover to freezing rain and linger through Saturday. So that's where we could see a lot of issues out there potentially if this were to hold true. That's why we just kind of keep an eye on things as we are heading into the rest of the week. Really kind of best guesses at things, and it's too early to really even be talking about this right now. But where you see that pink is right now where we think we could see the best chance for maybe some freezing rain and ice accumulations out there. Otherwise, sleet and freezing rain just looks like it's going to be possible throughout parts of Middle Georgia as we're heading into Friday and potentially Saturday, just depending on how things end up panning out. But this is going to be changing as we are heading into tomorrow and into Thursday. In just 10 seconds, I'll look at our 7-day forecast.
At Volume Chevrolet, get oil changes for life, plus a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty. Visit Volume Chevrolet, I-75 exit 187 in Forsyth. That's VolumeChevrolet.com.
And here's your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast from Volume Chevrolet in Forsyth. Temperatures that will be in the 60s tomorrow. Enjoy it, because everything after that is all downhill. On Thursday, we're going to start to see that rain moving in through the day. The winds and the cold air is going to push in behind that. And by Friday, we're looking at that potential for that changeover from rain to freezing rain, and maybe even sleet and a few snowflakes possible through Saturday. It will be staying cold through the weekend, though.